right, good morning everyone. What we're going to do today is learn about time. So we know that when school starts, because of a certain time of the clock. And when we go to lunch, we know. And when we go home, we know because of a certain time of the clock. So I'm going to show you a clock, and it's going to say 9 o'clock. I'm also going to cut out half of this stuff because I like to talk. We're just going to say 9:01. Okay, 9 o'clock p.m. Does everyone see the clock?
Yes.
All right, well, look in your desk and find your imagination and know that it's 9 o'clock at night and the sun is coming down and it's really, really dark outside. So that means you guys need to put your heads down and go to sleep. I'm okay with this. Well, good morning, my friends. It is. What time is it in the morning? It is 6:30 in the morning. And it is time to get up. Now, we would never get anywhere at the right time if we did not know how to tell times. Some clocks show us the number, and some show us the minute and the hour hand. So today we're going to be able to tell the difference between those two. So what I want you guys to do is just pay attention as I kind of teach you the basics of the clock. So what we're going to deal with is we're going to look at 11 o'clock. Everyone see 11 o'clock?
Yes.
All right, the clock has 2 hands. How many hands does the clock have?
2.
Good. The hands are the 2 lines that point to the numbers on the edges of the clock. The shorter hand is the hand that points to the hour that it is, which is 11. An easy way to remember this is that the hour hand is smaller than the minute. Now the minute hand is pointing to the 12. The minutes, that is not the number of the actual minute. We need to count by 5 to see what the minute is. So will you count with me by 5, starting from the 12? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60. Great job. We're going to work with one more number before we move on to our next activity. Can anyone raise their hand and tell me what time is on the clock?
3:25.
That's right. So when we're working with this, what do we notice about our hour hand? Anything different about our hour hand? It's not on the 3. It's in the middle, right? So when we have the hour hand that is in the middle, what number is it going to go to? The smaller or the bigger number? Smaller. Great. Now we're going to do one more time. And I'm going to ask a different volunteer to give me my answer of what time the clock represents. Yes.
7:30.
7:30. Now, what is weird about that hour clock, or that hour hand?
It's in between 7 and 8.
So does it go to the 8 or the 7?
The 7.
Great. Okay, guys. Now that we've done that, we are going to learn a song that's going to help us understand the way that a clock moves and the sound that a clock makes. So can I have everyone stand up? Now, you guys might know this song. It's to the tune of What Does the Fox Say? But instead, we're going to do What Does the Clock Say? And when it says, What does the clock say? You're going to move your hands like this. Like, what does the clock say? And you're going to go up. Like your hands are at 12 o'clock. And you're going to move tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. What does the clock say? We're just going to do that one time through. Ready? 3, 4. What does the clock say? Tick, 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 tick. What does the clock say? Great! All right. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to use our bodies. You guys can sit down. We're going to have to stand back up in a minute. But we're going to use our bodies to represent the clock. So now everyone actually raise your right hand. Okay, this is going to be your minute clock, your minute hand. And this is going to be your hour hand, so make it a little bit shorter. So I want everyone with their bodies to show me 12 o'clock. Good! All right, how about 1:30? You can switch your hands.
Oh, is the clock going 12:12 or is it 12:12? Oh, wait.
It's your 12:12. So if I'm looking at the clock right now,
Oh, okay.
where's my 1?
So we're doing 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock, and then where's our 30? Good! Yay! That's great. Okay, so now what I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to hand out these worksheets.
Hey, worksheet.
And you guys are going to just say the time that the clock says. It's so easy.
Well,
Oh, sorry. Did I just miss you?
mm-hmm.
And just take a few minutes to do that. And when you're done, I want you to look up at me. Wow, we all finished that really quickly. Okay, just a couple closing questions before we finish. First one, is the minute hand longer or shorter than the hour hand? Raise your hand. Yes.
Longer.
Great! Okay, number 2. In most cases, when the hour hand is in between two numbers, is it the smaller or the bigger number? Yes.
Smaller.
Smaller, great. And number 3, what time am I showing you with my arms?
12 o'clock.
Great job, guys. Okay. I'm going to collect your worksheets.
I have my name.
Great. And I'm going to grade them and assess them.
You guys are
And you guys did great. Yay! Oh, I don't know how to stop it. Ooh, I'm still on the camera.